There's a video going around right now telling people over 60 that if they eat a certain fruit before bed, their vision will start clearing up by morning. Millions of views, and I need to talk about it because some of what's in that video is real science and some of it is completely made up. So I'm a cataract surgeon. I spent my entire career inside the human eye. So let me tell you which parts to keep, which parts to throw out, and what the research actually supports. No hype, no miracle fruit. And the fruit that video saves for its grand finale, the one it claims dissolves the cataract right out of your eye overnight, I'll show you exactly why that's impossible. But stay with me past the debunk because at the end, I'm going to tell you the single most powerful thing you can do for your eyes after 60, and it isn't a food at all. That's the part the fake video will never tell you. Let's start with what's real, because there's more of it than you think. Your eyes do change after 60. That part isn't a scare tactic, it's biology. And the number of Americans living with serious eye disease is climbing fast, mostly because our population is aging. The National Eye Institute projects the number of people with age-related macular degeneration, cataracts, and glaucoma will roughly double by 2050. So if you feel like your vision isn't what it was, you're not imagining it, and you're far from alone. Here's the part that surprised even me when I dug into the research, and it's the grain of truth that viral video is built on. The whole eat it before bed framing, it's borrowing a real fact about your retina at night. Let me show you the real version. The cells that let you see in dim light, your rod photoreceptors, are the most energy-hungry cells in your entire body. And in darkness, they actually work harder, burning roughly 50% more oxygen than they do in bright light. At the same time, the outer retina has no blood vessels of its own. It's fed entirely by a layer of tiny vessels behind it. And with age, that layer thins and narrows. High demand, tighter supply. That's why the aging retina is genuinely more vulnerable overnight. Now, here's where I have to correct the viral video. It calls this a nightly repair window. That's the wrong word. Night isn't when your retina repairs. Night is when it's under the most stress. That distinction matters because it changes what you're actually trying to do. You're not feeding an overnight repair machine. You're supporting tissue that's working hard under pressure every night for years, and that's a goal nutrition can genuinely help with. So which foods actually help tissue under that kind of nightly pressure? There are 4 with real research behind them, and I'm going to rank them because one of these 4 has a 2-year clinical trial and actual patients behind it, and I'd bet money it's not the one you're thinking of. I'm saving it for last. Start with the bedrock, leafy greens, and the pigments called lutein and zeaxanthin. These 2 nutrients concentrate in the macula, the central part of your retina, responsible for sharp, detailed vision. They physically filter damaging blue light and mop up oxidative stress. This is the best established eye nutrition science we have. It's the foundation of the large ARES-2 trial run by the National Eye Institute. You'll find them in spinach, kale, and eggs. Which brings me to goji berries, because there's a real recent study here and I want to represent it honestly. Researchers at UC Davis had healthy adults eat about an ounce of dried goji berries 5 days a week for 90 days. The result? A measurable increase in macular pigment density, essentially more of that protective filter in the retina. Interestingly, a standard supplement didn't move the needle the same way in that study. Now, one honest caveat. Those participants were middle-aged, not 80. This was prevention in healthy eyes, not a cure for existing disease. But it's a real result, and goji berries are one of the richest natural sources of zeaxanthin on the planet. Then there's color. Broadly, berries and foods like watermelon. Watermelon is rich in an amino acid called citrulline that your body uses to make nitric oxide, which relaxes and widens the blood vessels, at least in principle, helping blood flow to the eye. Blueberries are loaded with anthocyanins too. I'll be straight with you. A lot of the blueberry vision headlines actually come from studies measuring brain processing speed, not eyesight. So I'm not going to promise sharper vision from blueberries, but a diet full of these deeply colored plants supports the whole system, and that's not nothing. And now, the one I promised you, the food with the strongest single study behind it, black currants. A 2-year randomized placebo-controlled trial gave open-angle glaucoma patients 50 milligrams a day of black currant anthocyanins, the deep purple pigments, on top of their usual glaucoma drops. The result? Improved blood flow at the optic nerve and slower loss of their visual field compared to placebo. So that's a real, well-run study in actual patients added to their standard treatment, not instead of it. If there's a headline food here, it's this one, not the papaya that the video builds up to. Which brings us to that papaya claim. Everything I've told you so far is real, published research. What comes next is the reason I sat down and recorded this video. The video's grand finale is papaya. It claims an enzyme in papaya called papain travels to your eye and dissolves the proteins that cloud into cataracts. As a cataract surgeon, let me be direct. That is not possible. Papin is a protein. When you eat it, your stomach breaks it down into amino acids like any other food long before it could reach your eye. It cannot swim up to your lens and reverse a cataract. No food can. Once a cataract is dense enough to affect your life, surgery is the only thing that removes it. And it's honestly one of the most safest, most successful operations in all of medicine. It gets worse. That video cites official sounding studies that don't hold up. A dragon fruit trial I could not find published anywhere, and it name drops a real journal, JAMA Ophthalmology, for a 2023 study. That study has nothing to do with eating fruit before bed. The name was borrowed to make the video sound credible. And one more thing you should know. A lot of the videos supporting this claim are run by AI-generated avatars, all saying the identical script across dozens of channels under dozens of different doctors' names. By the way, here's how you can spot these fake doctor videos yourself. 3 quick tells. 1, watch the face. AI avatars have that too smooth skin, and the blinking never quite matches the words. 2, search a sentence from the video. If the exact same script shows up on a dozen channels under a dozen different doctors' names, no real doctor wrote it. And 3, look at the description. Real medical channels link their sources. These videos name drop journals but never link a single study because the studies don't exist. I'm not telling you to be dramatic, but I want you to be aware that there are a lot of AI-generated doctors on YouTube out there, which is why I put my real face on a video like this. So if the miracle fruit is fake, what actually protects your vision after 60? Here's the honest answer, including the one thing I promised you at the start. So here's the truth, and it's less exciting than a miracle fruit, but it's real. Food matters for your eyes. Leafy greens, colorful berries, black currants, goji. A diet rich in those pigments genuinely supports aging retinal tissue. A couple of practical tips that are actually backed by chemistry. Eat these with a little healthy fat, like a few nuts or some olive oil, because these nutrients need fat to absorb, and don't count on washing them down with a big glass of milk right afterwards. A lot of calcium at the same moment can blunt how much you can absorb. But food is support, it is not a cure. It will not reverse a cataract, it will not undo macular degeneration, and no fruit is going to clear your vision by morning. And the one thing I told you at the beginning, I'd save for the end. The single most powerful thing you can do for your eyes after 60 isn't in your fruit bowl, it's a comprehensive dilated eye exam, because the diseases that steal sight quietly, like glaucoma, give almost no warning until the damage is done. Catching them early is what actually saves vision. That one appointment does more for your eyesight than every fruit in that video combined. So please talk to your own eye doctor. If this helped you separate what's real from what's marketing, do me a favor and share it with someone over 60 in your life, because they're the exact people those fake doctor videos are targeting. Subscribe if you want the honest version of these health stories from someone who actually does this for a living. Take care of your eyes, they're worth protecting with the truth.